Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Financeable. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to add address in the Bitget wallet. Now let us begin. Alright, here as you can see, this is the wallet right here. Now all I'm gonna do is click on this Discover tab on the rightmost section. Click on it. And guys, once you do, you will be redirected to this page. From here, as you can see, there are lots of options. But right now, what you guys need to do is simply scroll down. And right here in the Manage section, you can see something called as Address Book. Click on it. Once you do that, as you can see, currently there are no saved addresses. But now all you guys have to do is click on this Add Address button right here. And that is it. From here, you simply have to choose a mainnet. I'm gonna select one right now. And once you've done that, simply enter the address name. As you can see, I am doing it. And finally, enter the address. That is it guys. Once you've done that, simply hit on save. And that is it. As you can see, the address has been added in my Bitget wallet. It's quite easy guys. If you guys found this video informative and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.